Sa court pa lang, may tension na agad. Mga mata nag-iinit, parang may laban kahit warm up pa lang. Ang lakas ng spike, pati attitude may bang. Pero kahit nag-aasaran, teamwork pa rin ang laman.
What's up mga kabaletong? My name is Mario and you are watching Valentong YouTube channel!
Valentong GB lang, GB lang, GB lang. Bawal lang seryoso, GB lang, good vibes lang. Mga players na maldita pero nakakaalo talaga.
Jersey number 9. Once again, if ever Team Very Good Barbie wins the match, they will automatically advance and book their ticket to the championship match. Team Martha sets the open, Jeyo Angat. Zone 1 successful hit by jersey number 3. Still serving jersey number 9. Jersey number 12.
Nice one, Memi Rocks!
Overtake spike committed by jersey number 3.
Nakshi, huwag ka na malungkot sabi ni Memi Rocks.
Receiving jersey number 3. Attack yung gitna. Successful tarong by jersey number 8. Now serving jersey number 3. And goes through the block. Pass Angat. Jersey number 18 outside. Our official score 4-2.
Pinapalakas ko loob mo.
Successful job by Enna, jersey number 22.
Dahil hindi ako lumapit ko.
Grabe naman ang tawa. Grabe ang tawa naman.
Receive. Set. Angat. Enna sets sa open. A-atake. That goes through. Sets sa 4. Then drop ball. 16 was there. Soft touch by the opener. Angat. Pass the rebound from the middle. Successful point for jersey number 7.
Tagal nyo ah.
Official score 5-3. Alagang Incha. Got over. Our official score 6-4 in favor of Alagang Incha. Jersey number 11. Steve Angat. Still playable. No justice. Our official score 7-5. Now serving, and with a service ace. 1 point lead na lang ang hinahabol ng team. Very good, Barbie. It is si Jeyo. Si Net sa open soft touch, Angat. Jersey number 3, angat. Casdiva from the middle. Casdiva from the middle. So, pinaka-stare down. Point for Jersey number 7. Inisip. Sinet. Middle atake, check ball, and bumawi ng stare down. Middle atake, check ball, and bumawi. Also by jersey number 16. Our 2-point advantage for Team Malagang Intra. And that makes Disipli Enad set sa 4. 4. No mistakes. Angat. Opener aatake. Dalang libero but it's still in favor of Team Malagang Intra. On the service deck, jersey number 9. Receive. Marta, drop ball. Angat ng libero, over ni Enad, still playable. Opener Jayo, attack a solid block by jersey number 3. Receive. Set sa 3. Soft touch, pero gustos. Now serving jersey number 12. They receive. Opener atake, nilagay sa likod. Put in 13. Jersey number 14, they receive. 4 atake. That was it. The lead is down to 2. Official score 12-10. Fear. The set 4 atake angat. And that's sa 3. Double blockings that goes through. Jayo din rapon sa gitna. Angat ni 13. And that's sa 3. Inside. Our official score 12-11. Still on the service net, jersey number 3. Jayo sa open. Cross court. Angat. Jersey number 1. Recently 14. And din rapon sa kabila. Angat. 4 atake. Angat. Go over. Easy ball for Team Alagang Inchang. 3 pato. Success. 3 pato. Successful block by jersey number 18. Miss receive. Still playable. Easy ball. And it's open. Double blocking spot goes through. And we are now tied at 13. Number 18. Miscommunication for Team Very Good Barbie. And that will give Alagang Inchang a 2-point advantage. Angat. Silhin sa open, atake. Silhin sa open, atake. Silhin sa open, atake. Inangat. ball for Team Alaga Kinshang. Babawi ang open. Babawi ang opener. Angat na naman. Oops. Goal ball ba or outside na? Wala kasi tayong antena eh. Wala pa pong whistle. Official score 15-13. Still taking the lead for the match ang Team Alaga Kinshang. It is sitting 14. 13 na-atake to Ross Court with a bit of a stare down. Official score 15-14. Casriva from the middle, inangat ng libero. Best communication, free ball. For jersey number 11. And that's 4 agad. Best communication going on there. Free ball, then back to the jersey number 1 there. Pinangat-Hena, 4 atake, din rumble. Cass was there. Atake na naman ang open, pinangat ng libero, still playable. No blocker. Communication for Team Alaga Kinshang. Jersey number 4 overtakes that spike. In. Our official score, 18-16. Douse on the net. Won by the Fairy Gods Barbie. That's battle going on. And at sa open na atake. Ang tawag ng ating official game. Outside. Tres atake. Not successful by the double block from Team American Party. And that will give them a lead of 1. And that's it. It's 4. Still playable. Over. Kenji again for the win. For the win. over. Double block kicks. Pero hindi na kinaya ng powers ng Team Perigan Barbie. That will tie the match at services by jersey number 12. Official score 2019. Service by jersey number 12. Middle atake angat. Angat ulit. Opener aatake, inangat. Soft touch. Ang tawag ng ating line judge ay inside. Let's see if they will be able to close the match. Pero kung hindi naman, makakahabol pa ang team siya. Miss receive there. Still playable. Nilagay sa zone 1. Hindi na nagawa ng paraan. Official score 21-20. Jersey number 4 on the service deck. Outside. Dropped sa gitna. Successful. Jeyo sa 4, drop ball. Nice block by jersey number 13. And that will... Team, isa kay Caterino Putos for jersey number 7. Official score, Ward. Jeyo on the service deck. Solid block by jersey number 24. Match point na para sa Alaga siya. Bounce at the net. Bounce at the net. Bounce at the net. Napanalunan ng team Perigan Barbie. Another success, another hit. And this time, zone 1 plays success. Another hit. And this time, zone 1 plays it for jersey number 16. With a bit of a snare now. Official score, last warning in favor of Team Inchang. Receive. Isiset sa open. Open atake. Sa open. Open atake. That goes through.
Sa court pa lang, may tension na agad. Mga mata nagiinit, parang may laban kahit warm up pa lang. Ang lakas ng spike, pati attitude may bang. Pero kahit nag-aasara, teamwork